For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin. We have the forecast for 24 hours. The snowfall activity continues as expected in the mountains all across northern parts. The heat conditions picking up over central parts. Rains now easing out over the South Peninsular region. We have a look at the weather features responsible for weather activity in these 24 hours which we are talking about. The snow in the mountains, that is courtesy series of Western Disturbances, one already there over Jammu Kashmir region. It has already given rain and snow over the higher reaches, mid reaches, even some rainfall. Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Srinagar, they all experienced a rainfall. It travelled even to parts of Himachal Pradesh also. And close behind, trailing another one, is Western Disturbance, which will move in once this particular system vacates. Means there is not going to be any break, and as we said that it's going to be a snowy week for the mountains, and that's going to continue. Rest of the days of the February itself will continue with snow over most parts, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and even Uttarakhand the least, but then it will have. And then it could possibly even roll over to first few days of March, 1st or 2nd March or so. But then in these 24 hours, yes, this will continue with fairly widespread, and then it's going to become more intense now, hereafter. The parts of Punjab, Haryana, that remains untouched with the effect of this. However, the temperatures are showing a little rise, but there is no rain here. Nothing is likely, but that's in the coming days we can expect some foothills starting with say Pathankot and then Amritsar, even Pathankot, Amritsar, Jammu, Samba, Kathua, in any case they will have, and then along the foothills we can travel Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, and then going further up to Panchkula, Chandigarh. These are the places, and then further in any case Dehradun and adjoining parts also will have with this in the next couple of days itself. However, Delhi will remain untouched. I don't think anything should happen, but the temperatures are going to rise. You see, Delhi has already clocked 3030.4 degree, that's on 10th of February. It doesn't happen very frequently in the month of February, going beyond 30 so early in the month. But then the special feature will be remaining days of February for Delhi possibly is going to exceed 30 degree. I will not be surprised even if it touches about 32 degree in one of these 2 days. So it's going to be a warm days, sunny days, 30, 31, 32 is going to be the hallmark for Delhi NCR for the next few days or so. Particularly reversal of the winds will take place. Last 3 days of the month, they stand for these changes. Coming to central parts, as I said, nothing significant, but it's hot, it's warm. Gujarat is very hot, all starting with Kutch, Nalia, Bhuj, and then coming to Saurashtra, Rajkot, Junagadh, all these places, and then mainland, that's Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Baroda, north, that's Disa, either, and then even coastal station of Surat, all are 36, beyond 35, 35, 36 degree. They are all are 4 to 5 degrees above normal. I don't see any respite in the next about 48 hours. It should continue, and this heat is seen even over parts of Madhya Pradesh and most of Maharashtra. Mumbai 36 degree it has recorded. It doesn't happen once again very often. Mumbai reaches 36 degree in the month of February. March, yes, but last few days of February it inches towards about 34 degree or so, but clocking 36 is fairly high, almost about 5 degrees above the normal. What has happened actually is that there is a trough along the coast, and there is a feeble circulation here. Not very well marked, but that's what is changing the wind pattern and keeping the winds rather warm and hot along the coast, and they continue to be there for a longer part of the day. Sea breeze sets in late. The moment sea breeze is setting in late, the temperatures keep on picking up, and that's what has happened. Hopefully, Mumbai will relax a little, and 1 or 2 degree drop is likely in the 48 hours. Nothing significant now. After the deluge over the southern parts of Tamil Nadu and Andhra also had fair amount of rains. Even Karnataka had some, Chitradurga and adjoining parts, they had fair amount of showers. But then this will be easing out. Very little rainfall is expected. The circulation which is there, that's far in the sea over Lakshadweep area, and further it's moving away. So only some trickle is expected, light rain over parts of Kerala and adjoining region. That's all, but nothing over this side, over Andhra, Tamil Nadu, expected to be nearly dry weather conditions. East India, Northeast India, similar conditions, so there is no significant system as such. As usual, Arunachal Pradesh, we can expect some light rain. That is even parts of Sikkim and sub-Himalayan West Bengal, but that's also very light, but nothing much in the valley, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, along with the eastern states, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal should continue to remain dry. This is the weather update from Skymet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.